Celebrations and festivals are special times when people come together to enjoy, share, and have fun. They can be big or small, traditional or modern, and they happen in every country. One of the most common celebrations is a birthday. People often have a party, eat cake, and give presents to the person celebrating. Weddings are another important celebration. Families and friends gather to see two people get married, and there is usually music, food, and dancing. In many countries, there are national holidays with special traditions. For example, Independence Day, when people watch fireworks and join parades. Religious festivals are also important. For example, Christmas is celebrated by many Christians with decorations, gifts, and special meals. Eid al-Fitr is an important Muslim festival that marks the end of Ramadan. With family visits and delicious food, New Year's Eve is celebrated all over the world, often with fireworks, music, and countdowns to midnight. Some festivals celebrate nature, like harvest festivals, where people thank the land for the crops. Music festivals bring people together to enjoy live performances and dance to their favorite songs. Food festivals are popular, too. People can taste different dishes, try new recipes, and learn about other cultures. In some countries, there are traditional dress festivals where people wear old-style clothes and dance folk dances. Many towns have street festivals with games, food stalls, and live shows. During festivals, streets are often decorated with lights, banners, and flowers. Parades are common in big celebrations with floats, costumes, and music. Festivals can last for one day or several days, depending on the tradition. They are a great time to meet friends, visit family, and make new memories. Some festivals are for sports, like marathons or local competitions. In many places, people take photos and videos during celebrations to remember the happy moments. Children love festivals because they can play games, eat sweets, and watch shows. Adults enjoy festivals because they can relax, see friends, and celebrate their culture. Some celebrations are very colorful, like the Holi festival in India, where people throw colored powder at each other. Carnivals are also famous with masks, costumes, and dancing in the streets. Festivals often have special music and dances that are part of the tradition. They can teach us about history, culture, and the values of a community. In some countries, people travel far to join famous festivals. Tourists often visit places during big celebrations to experience the culture. Festivals can also help the local economy because visitors spend money on hotels, food, and souvenirs during celebrations. People often share meals and invite guests to their homes. Some celebrations include competitions like cooking contests or costume shows. Fireworks are a popular way to end a big festival or celebration. Festivals can be peaceful and quiet, or loud and exciting, depending on the culture. They are a time for joy, unity, and remembering important events. Learning about festivals from different countries can help us understand and respect other cultures. No matter the type of celebration, the goal is to share happiness with others. In the end, celebrations and festivals make life more colorful and bring people closer together.
If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates.